Let us start with next one. That is question number 7. Which one of the following is a second order reactions? So here they have given the equations as H2 plus of Br2 plus of 2 times of HBr. The second equation is NH4NO2, that is ammonium nitrate. NH4NO3 gives rise to N2 plus 3H2O, that is ammonium nitrate upon decomposition, and H2 plus of Cl2 in the presence of diffused sunlight. It has formed 2 moles of HCl, and the other one is CH3COOCH3, that is methyl acetate, upon reaction with NaOH will give rise to what? Sodium acetate along with H2O. So here formation of HBr and formation of HCl, since both the reactions are considered as what? Photochemical reactions. Always a photochemical reaction is considered as what? A zero order reaction. So here it is a decomposition reaction. So ammonium nitrate is decomposed to nitrogen and water molecule. Hence it is a first order reaction. And when it comes to saponification, so this is known as saponification or hydrolysis of an ester by an alkali. Here 2 reactant molecules are involved, hence it is an second order reaction. So this equation is an example for second order reaction, which is given by the option D. Next one, question number 8. For a chemical reaction, so they have given that A gives rise to B is a chemical reaction. The rate of a reaction is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 mole per dm cube per second when the initial concentration is 0.05 mole per dm cube. So first let us write the rate equation for this. According to the given equation, the rate equation is represented as rate is equal to K into concentration of A, which is raised to the power N. So here K is called as an rate constant, N is considered as an order of an reaction, and this is concentration of the reactant A. So it has been given that rate, so rate is equal to how much? Rate is given as 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 mole per dm cube per second. So, and they have mentioned that the concentration of A is how much? 0.05 mole per dm cube. 0.05 mole per dm cube is the concentration of A. So, according to this, the second rate, what they have mentioned? The second rate, they have mentioned it as 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 mole per dm cube per second as the second rate, and they have mentioned the concentration of A as 0.1 mole per dm cube. So by considering all these data, these rate equations can be represented as what? So the equation, the general equation what we have taken, rate is equal to K into concentration of A raised to the power N. So first rate is how much? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 is equal to K into concentration of A is 0.05, which is raised to the power N. I call it as 1. So according to this, the second rate is what? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 is equal to K into concentration is 0.1, which is raised to the power N. I consider it as equation 2. Divide equation 1 by equation 2. So equation 1 is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 is equal to 0.05 raised to the power N divided by 0.1 raised to the power N. So when we simplify this entire equation, so here what they have mentioned, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 2, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So when I overall simplify with this particular equation, it turns out to be 1 divided by 2 to the power of N is equal to 1 by 8. It implies the value of N is 3. Hence, the order of a reaction is what? Order of a reaction is 3, which is given by the option B.